Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to view your trophies on the PlayStation 5 and track the progress. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. You may have noticed there is no on-screen trophy icon on the home screen for the PlayStation 5. So how you actually access the trophies is a little bit different. So if I go over a game, in the bottom right, you can see my progress for my trophies. So if I use the D-pad and go down and then go to the right, I can see the trophies for that specific game located right here. Now, if I go ahead and back out on the home screen, if I go up to my profile and select it, I can see the trophies option right here as well. If I press the PlayStation button, go to the quick menu, and then go to my profile under here, it's easier to access. So if I go to trophies now, I can select this and I can view all my trophies. I can compare it to a friend, someone I played with, or even search for someone to compare the trophies to. Then I can view my trophy stats by pressing square, and here's my trophy stats. I don't have a platinum yet, and I'm level 206. So that's very easy to do. Now, if you press options under here, you can go to sync with PlayStation Network, and maybe you've been playing offline and you just connected it to the internet. And you can sync your trophies with PlayStation Network. So if you go to a different PlayStation, maybe from your PS4 or PS5, you can have the same trophy information across your two accounts. So it's very easy to sync those. Now, a cool thing they did with the trophies is if you are not in a party, you can double press the PlayStation button real quick and you can track your trophies. So I have two different trophies in here right now I'm tracking. And you can go to manage track trophies, and you can pick the trophies you actually want to track, so for your specific game. So let's go ahead and go to this and this and this and start tracking those. And you have a couple different options here from, least to most, ultra, platinum, etc. And this is for Call of Duty Modern Warfare, since I'm over that game right now. And then press OK. And now I'm going to be tracking those 5 trophies, and I can scroll through here and view those. Now you have an option to pin them to the side, so when you're playing, you can view your trophies in real time and what to go after. And then just double press the PlayStation button, open this up, and you can exit the side pin. And this is a very cool function. Just double press the PlayStation button, open up your trophies, and you can see all your trophies progress in live action. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.